Hi guys, I'm gonna do a quick video over order blocks. So probably one of my favorite things to look at on the chart. It's one of the easiest. Fair value gaps, high time frame fair value gaps are also super easy to mark out to see visually. And it's just good to have. So you can just see how if you're on TradingView, how easy it is just to have this marked out. Let's mark out this one. I am on the 1 hour, so high time frame's always better. It's always stronger. And basically, I mark out what is the order block though of here. So we're looking for a bullish candle, just getting fully engulfed. So, and then by itself. And I'm just marking out the body only for this order block. People like the wicks. You can do either one. So if you have the wick and that's basically a good way to look at it. And then you want to look for a strong move down. So this is an order block. This candle, this bullish 1 hour candle is an order block because we have two bearish, just huge bearish candles right after that. So that's a good order block. And then you actually see it respects it. It first taps in here. We go down, it taps in here again, we go down. So it's respecting this order block. We see this. We actually have a little liquidity sweep. We hit this higher, and we actually still, if you have this wick marked out, don't even break this order block. We actually just go into it, and then we go back down. So this was a strong order block. It's just good to have this stuff marked out to see how it's respecting price and whatnot. So it's basically what an order block is. I'll try to find one on the. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's see if any good order blocks appear. They're not that hard to find, to be honest. And what I would be looking for. And just like that, I found a really good one. Here is one right here. So if you mark out, I normally just do the bodies because it's a little more precise with the entries. But you can do the wicks too. Here, this is the bearish candle right here, just getting fully engulfed. We're on the 4 hour, by the way, so it's even stronger. Bearish candle right here, two bullish candles. It wicks into this, respects it so well, and then we shoot up. So if you're in real time, you already have this marked out before this even happens, right? And then you see it just escalate in this move. And you're on the 2 minute, you're on the 5 minute. You're gonna get a CISD. You're gonna get a fair value gap. You're gonna see entries because of how strong this wick is, okay? So this is like a good confirmation to know, like, okay, we hit this. A lot of orders were here. Now let's look for, now let's look for the right side of the V. Now let's look for a little trade through here. So that is why I like it so much. You're not just guessing. You're not using order flow. You're not just using momentum. You actually have like good reasons to take the trade, and this is why order blocks, I like them so much. And they're just so strong. So big or small, I mean, they do get respected. So here we go. Another one, 4 hour fair value gap. We're at the lows here. Just wicks in. So because bearish candle right here, fully engulfed. We actually wick right down to it on this dot. And then if you're watching this real time, look for a little position. Let's see. Looks like bottom of the order block. If you have a really safe stop, bottom of this order block, 13 points. And I mean, you have to have some balls to be holding this long, but it's up 400 points. It's pretty impressive. Most of the time, you just want to have a smart stop loss, have a smart one. I mean, but this is still 160 points, so nobody's gonna complain. And we actually wick into another order block. So even if you had it like at CE right here, which would have been a good one, this is 200 points from this one. So order blocks are definitely very important to mark out, to see, especially higher time frame ones. You drop down to a lower time frame, and then you look for the setup you like, the model you like, and then you take a trade off that. So thanks for watching. That's what order blocks are right here.